Hello and welcome to another AO scan tutorial. My name is Emily Mailer, and today we're going to be talking very briefly on the AO tune. There are so many components here in AO scan, and I have done a previous video on that, so feel free to look for that one. The AO tune is something that I absolutely love because it's a great way to utilize tuning forks. I am still learning about tuning forks, so don't feel like you need to be an expert. There's some really great features, such as this scan button. So if I click scan here, it is going to populate the tuning fork that would be best for me in this moment. So Spiritual Awakening at 4096. You can change the sine, square, triangle, or sawtooth. I am having a blank moment. I believe that has to do with the frequency wave. I know that Lauren talks about that in the Solex educational piece about the AO tune, so feel free to look that up on YouTube. And then you have the option to choose a variety of times, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes, and then you can emit the tone. The way that Solex has presented this is to have the AO tune transducers, and you turn them on, you pair them, and you place them on the body on various locations. Prior to getting my transducers, I actually just used them with a set of headphones. And I just had my headphones on and I played the tone, and I could definitely feel a shift in my body. I have also seen in the Solex AO Scan official group that people have used them in a broadcasting manner. So you don't have, as long as you have the correct person here at the top, if you would emit it, it should also get to them. The thing I love so much about Solex is there is literally an unlimited amount of ways to utilize this. And you can play as much as you want and just kind of see where it goes. My biggest caveat with some of the tuning forks is they can be really healing. So make sure to just be aware of that. And if you're just starting with tuning forks, take them slow. Just do one a day, or one in the morning and one in the evening. You don't want to go through all of these and run them back to back. That may throw you into some emotional stuff, because they are doing a very good job at supporting your body. So I just want to run through each of these real quick. There's binaural tones, and you can see there's gamma and Schumann, and the rate that they vibrate, or their frequency. Whoops, clicked the wrong button. There are planetary frequencies. So this one here is centering, there's flower of life, and then there's all the different planets, and then what they actually kind of connect with. So for example, Venus is with skin and hair rejuvenation. So you can kind of look at what they correlate with if you are wanting to support that body. So like the metonic cycle improves reproduction function. You're trying to get pregnant, that could be one that could be super supportive. This one helps to maintain emotional balance. There's another one for reproduction function. The Schumann resonance is great for enhanced learning and memory. This Sedna is great for ATP production and oxygenation. Some of these I'm literally reading for the first time. That one I absolutely love, because I personally need more energy, and I know that my circulation could always use support. There's planetary chakra frequencies. So these ones are related to the chakras and the planets, and that shows you kind of what each of those is related to. There's the solfeggio chakra frequencies, and these are related to the notes of the solfeggio, which are super cool and fascinating if you take time to learn about them, and what each of those help and support, and what area of the chakras they support. There's a pituitary. So if you're needing some support with your pituitary glands, that one would be a great one to utilize. And we'll go back here. There are organs. So here's your list of different organs that you can support. Muscle cells. I have done a few other tutorials where I've mentioned I need support with my muscular health and musculoskeletal system. So muscle cells, if you're needing support with your adrenals, you could run that. Again, I don't recommend running like a ton at once, but just kind of playing, learning what your body can handle and going from there. There's DNA and RNA. There are spiritual insights. So the pineal gland, that's the third eye. The pineal gland is so important for our hormone functioning and all of that. So that one would be a good one to support. And then the auto clearing and connecting. These are like the four original tones. So I really encourage you to take some time to learn about the tuning forks. If you don't want to and you just want to use them, just use them. This is your tool to use. You can empower yourself in any way. I am a big like, hey, I'm willing to try everything. I don't need to know the science behind it. So I will utilize things without fully understanding them sometimes. But I try to utilize them in a like easygoing way. A great book that could be supportive with this, and I'm sure there's tons of them out there, but one that I have and have started reading is called Tuning the Human Biofield. It is by, put it right here, um, Eileen Day McCusick, and she goes through and explains a lot about the biofield and tuning forks, and just a really great resource. Even if you don't read the whole book, it's a great tool to be able to pull and learn from. So I hope that this was helpful for you in learning a little bit about the tuning forks. They are such a powerful tool to be able to utilize and support your body. So make sure to do this. If you want to just start with like one a day, that's a great option to add into your daily routine. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or message me. And I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Have a great day.